rough enough small tool pouch bag. It has a very rugged exterior with a well-built interior made of strong fabric with a zip-up mesh bag in the lid. You can attach the bag to your belt or other bags with the easy-to-use screw carabiner or spring clip. As you can see, the bag is small, but it can carry a nice assortment of tools. The bag's small size makes it ideal for keeping in your car, office, or any place where you need to store tools ready for when you need them. And once zipped closed, the strong side handle allows you to carry it with ease. Carry it around and keep it ready at arm's length. It attaches easily to your belt or belt loop and stays connected safely and securely.